Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And today we're gonna be working on my fiance's Vespa. The work that we're gonna do today is installing the lowering link. Basically lowers the bike by 1 inch. We found this at Scooter West Vespa Motorsports, and it is retailed at $198.95. With everything, it's $210.60. Shipped here in Las Vegas. It came from San Diego. So in the shipping bag, it came with this basically a welcome pack, and inside the bag, this is the brand Mizu, and inside the box is your lowering link. So it's basically this and this piece right here. You're going to need some basic tools to take off the exhaust, the air box, and the stock mounting points for the suspension. So let's go ahead and install it. Okay, so we're going to remove the exhaust. So you're gonna undo this bolt. It's 17. We have some torque screw. We got 3 of them. 1, 2, and then 3 right here in the bottom. Should be good. For the 3 torque screws that we have, they are T40. So we're gonna do the top. Then make sure you kind of support the exhaust because it's going to drop. There you go. This is a little bit heavy for a small exhaust. Now we're going to remove this bolt that's securing the suspension. Then we have to take off this part. It is secured by Loctite or something. So some people use a torch or a heat gun to kind of warm it up. Try to manually take it off without doing any heating. And if it doesn't work, you can try heating it up. So it did not work. I tried using this and it's pretty tight in there. We got our blowtorch here and we're going to heat that up for a few minutes. There you go. All right, here we go. It's basically a 24mm socket. The thing is, I don't have the big one that can go all the way here. If you have that, it'll be easier for you to take this off. I manually use this one. All right, so now we're going to install this part. This is basically going to lower the mounting of the suspension. And we put some Loctite in there. And then hand tight for now. It's not gonna be as smooth because there's some leftover Loctite from the original piece. So now we're going to torque it. Alright, so that's it for this side. Now we're gonna go to the other side. So we are now on the left side of the bike where the air box or air filter, we have to undo 2 screws and then basically lift the air box inside. The torques that we're gonna use is T30 right there, T30, 1 torque screw here and 1 here. So this one and here. There. You got 1 in there and 1 there. And you should be able to lift the air box inside. So we basically lifted the air box in so we can clear this space. I just put something in between so it doesn't get in the way. Those are the bolts that we're trying to remove. This is the OEM suspension mounting points. This is the lowering kit. When you install this, make sure the letters or the writing are facing outside. And then you're just gonna use the same hardware. And then just make sure everything is tight to install the air box again. We're gonna lower it. You basically just want to hand tight them. There you go. Just double check everything. So we are done now on the left side. Now we're just going to connect the suspension on the other side. We were able to replace this, and then you're going to install the same hardware again. Then again the 17 socket. Now we're going to install the exhaust. There you go. You want to start the bolts on the top, so at least something is holding the exhaust while you work on the remaining bolts. And then for this one, we are using the T40 Torx again. So basically that's how you install the lowering link for the Vespa GTS 300. She's trying to feel it out right now. She's trying to test it. Did it get lower? Yeah. The install is not that hard, just as long as you have the complete tools that you need. Check everything that they are all tight. That's the first mod of my fiance's Vespa. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.